In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Mailchimp. By the end, you'll have a clean CSV file you can open in a spreadsheet, share with your team, or import into another tool, all without losing important details about your audience. To begin, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account and looking at your dashboard. We'll start by opening the section where your contacts live. Click on Audience. This is the hub for everything related to your subscribers, including their email addresses, profile fields, tags, and marketing permissions. If you manage multiple audiences, confirm you're viewing the one you want to export. The export will reflect whatever audience or filtered view you currently have selected. Next, click on Export Segment. In Mailchimp, a segment is simply a defined set of contacts based on conditions, like people who subscribed in the last 30 days, have a specific tag, or meet other criteria. When you choose Export Segment, Mailchimp prepares the contacts that match your current view. If you're not actively filtering, this typically means the full audience you're viewing. This step ensures you're exporting exactly the group you intend, whether that's everyone or a specific subset. Now, click on Export CSV. A CSV, or comma-separated values file, is a universal spreadsheet format that works with Excel, Google Sheets, and most CRM systems. Mailchimp will compile the relevant fields for each contact, such as email address, first and last name if available, tags, marketing status, sign-up source, and other standard profile details you've collected. Depending on the size of your audience, preparing the file can take a moment. When it's ready, the download will begin or be available from your exports area. Save the file somewhere secure and clearly named so you can find it later. Once you have the CSV, you can open it in your preferred spreadsheet app to review and clean your data. If you see special characters, make sure your spreadsheet is using UTF-8 encoding for accurate display. Keep in mind that contact data is sensitive, so store the file safely, limit who has access, and follow your organization's privacy and compliance policies when sharing or importing it elsewhere. That's all there is to it. Click Audience, choose Export Segment to capture the exact group you want, and finish with Export CSV to download your contacts in a format you can use anywhere. If this was helpful, save these steps for future exports and keep your audience data organized and secure.